Hi, today I'm here to talk to you about Google Docs and voice typing. So here I have a document and I'm going to click on Tools and I'm going to go down to Voice Typing. When I click on this, I'm going to get a little microphone over to the left-hand side that I'll be able to click on to start recording. But notice the little where it says English and there's a little disclosure arrow next to it. If I click on that and scroll down, I can choose what language that I want to speak into the microphone and it will actually type into that language for me. But I'm going to choose English. So I'm going to click record. And now the voice typing feature is actually recording and documenting what I am saying, exclamation mark. Notice that it works pretty fast, exclamation mark. New line. This is such a great free tool for kids, exclamation mark. Pretty cool, isn't it? Imagine what this can do for our students. Thank you for watching.